We're good.
Woo!
You good?
Yep. How is it?
You can drive it.
I gave it a little love tap.
Just a tap. You're good.
What's it look like?
Like it's smashed.
What?
Just the bumper.
Oh, just the bumper?
Yeah, you're good.
Oh, easy. Let's go, brother. Hey, we broke it in finally.
Yes.
I haven't hit anything with the F12 yet.
Good.
Let's go. What'd you think?
Dude. Crazy. Watching you drive in person compared to like on videos, it's nuts. It's nuts. Absolutely nuts. I'm sorry that happened though.
It's all good.
It's kind of cool. I was the one though at the same time.
I want to go look at it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's just a bumper.
It's just caught on this.
Caught on something. It looked like he just ripped it. Like ripped it open.
Yeah. What's that?
There's nothing near the tire.
I'll get another cover. I'll just find another cover.
Yeah, it's not bad.
It's caught on this.
What's that?
It's caught on this.
Yeah. Couple zip ties.
Came around here and then ended up right going at this, and all that came from just this one little mark. Oh, here's where it caught. This is why. So it hit here. This wasn't the problem. It offset the K-rail and then hit this, and this is what ripped the bumper off, because this part of the K-rail is not pinned. Oh well. She's broken in now. Better the rear and the bumper just getting torn like that than anything to do with the front. Well, how's the temp? Well, it's still got to come down a bit. Open this up. So Evan, the reason why I did that is because I came around the corner and I tapped the first K-rail and they're not connected, like they don't have a pin. So it pushed the K-rail back, and then I hit the second K-rail square on, and it ripped it. So if we search for a red F12 Rosso Corsa bumper, it'll probably already come painted.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you can just put it on.
Let's see if we can find one maybe this week. I'll have to search for it. That was it. Oh, I'm glad you got it. Thank you, bro. Thank you. You ready? All right. Round 2.
Your first time, Anthony?
Yeah, he's never been either. Hey, happy birthday. That was awesome. The birthday ride.
That was awesome.
With the rollie and everything.
That's it.
Did it pretty good. As soon as it caught this, pushed it in, it just ripped it. My rain light. My rain light. You ready? All right, bro. Let's do it. Are starting to get pretty greasy. Going on.
Don't turn the wheel because it's sitting on the fender right now.
What is it? What is it? Day for the F12. Hey? Yeah. What a day for the F12. But you know what? Better that it happened here than at Fuel Fest. Because at Fuel Fest, in like a train of cars, someone could have hit me. As soon as it cools down a bit more, I can turn it off. I think it's stuck. What a day for the F12. You guys see that where it ripped?
Just the bracket itself.
All right. Looks cool enough now. Oh, what a day this car's had. We just had a double whammy, literally. So obviously I did that. That is not ideal, but not the biggest deal in the world. Like, honestly, I don't even think there's anything behind this other than the bumper. This just cosmetic. We'll get a new bumper for there, but the real problem is, and we were just chatting about this, luckily this right here, that we're lucky that didn't happen in third and fourth gear coming around the corner at like 65-70 miles an hour. That's not good, because that also dropped the control arm onto the rim on the inside, which you can see all this damage. That's all trashed, all of that on the inside of the wheel. And then on top of that, it literally, I mean, this is actually isn't even a big deal. We caught it in time. I didn't drive far enough, but this has a little dent in it, but it's obviously sitting right on the tire. You can actually see where it cut into the tire here. That could have been way worse had that had happened coming around this corner or even that corner when I was in third gear.
Now we know how good it would look slammed.
Oh, it's dirty. It is dumped. The question is now we got to figure out how to get it inside. We finally broke it in, DD fam. We finally broke it in. There was a time somewhere in this car's, you know, existence that it was gonna break something significant. It was going too good for too long. Better it be that and do a little bit of damage and something cosmetic than anything structural, frame-wise, or anything with the engine or the drivetrain. So I'd have to say it is official. It's a proper drift car now. It trashed its first bumper. What do you think, Guy?
Yes.
Yeah?
It's better that it happened here than anywhere else.
Yeah, because I'm supposed to take it to Fuel Fest.
Yeah, I was just about to say that.
Now the trick is, let's see if we can go race team and fix it in less than a week. You got a ride and we broke the back bumper, and then, hey Anthony, you got a ride and then we broke the lower part of the control arm. Today is the bumper slayer. Hey? That's crazy what it did to that part of the control arm.
Yeah, we'll get to see it more in a minute.
Yeah, we'll get to see it a lot more. I think you're touching at the moment.
No, it's bending more. I literally saw it bend more.
But it's bending because of all the force on it right now with that being up in the air.
Okay.
We got a nice little ding there. And look at literally cut into the tire. But that's crazy, this part right here. Blew it right off from right in there. Oh, it was going so good until it wasn't.
That's how it goes.
I was like, what is that? I was like, something doesn't feel right. That's why I like only went slow forward.
Yeah.
And you guys were waving like, no.
I saw it.
As soon as Evan looked serious, I know
Yeah,
there's
you know
something
it's
wrong.
a problem. Yeah, you're on the frame, whatever you would call it.
Did you say whatever you would call it?
Well, yeah, because it's not really a frame in this car.
Why'd you say you could jack it off? That was weird. Seriously, he goes, hey, Anthony, can you jack this thing off? And when he goes, hold on, I mean, jack it up,
Situations like this get me excited.
right?
Keep going. What, are you scared? Yeah.
Oh yeah, we gotta get it all the way up.
You're good. It's not hurting nothing.
You ain't gonna hurt it more than I do, bro. I've always said that. Today is proof of that.
Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, boom, fixed.
Straighten the wheel out once you let it off. Fixed. Let's do it, round 3.
Get inside the wheel. You're all right. You're all right.
I know, it got the inside of the wheel. Look at the ding.
It's not
Look at the
ideal
ding
where
right
it
here.
is. We don't have many.
Look at that. That's a chunk. And then, yeah, the whole inside is pretty chewed up. Well, boys, we sent it a little too hard today, boys.
Oh, yeah. More?
Thanks, guys. I appreciate you guys doing all this.
No, they're pinned. The holes are here.
We'll get under it and have a look. Hell of a car, though, hey? Moves fast.
That thing's wild, dude. It does things you don't think it could do, for sure. it's crazier. You see it on camera, and then you go in there, and it's completely different.
Right.
Yeah.
You know I'm in trouble when we drag Guy from the merch garage out here to help with anything mechanical. It's one step away from me doing some of this stuff, which you know is a disaster. Because I usually do more damage to the car just trying to get the car into the garage.
There you go.
I got him worked out.
Okay?
Jack them off.
Come on. Yeah, jack him off, Evan.
Up.
Oh, this is where we need Evan to get on there. You're too light.
Yeah.
You need to eat a few more burritos.
A few more burritos.
Jim ain't doing that.
Now we gotta do it one more time. No, that's it.
It's fully jacked off.
Fully jacked.
I love how guys just like loves this.
It has eject delated.
So now what?
Lower it.
Now we gotta do it again.
Are you gonna tie that?
We'll just do it to the front end? Oh no, I have to do it to all four.
Yeah.
Just crank the wheel over.
Well, it's its own separate unit right now.
Yep.
That's not moving.
It is what it is. Like, we already have to fix the fender.
Oh.
No.
I was gonna. What do we take?
Hang on. Let's at least get it at the tuck.
Yeah. You have to push. Can I get some more weight on here? I
Go
need
up a little bit, Anthony.
kick it in there with me.
Okay.
Now.
Lower it down.
Lower it down?
Because it's gonna kick this way automatically.
Yeah. Keep going.
We want it to go back where it was.
Like that?
Keep going, Anthony.
I stopped.
Okay. You stopped it or what?
Like it's destroying the whole.
Yeah, it
Well,
has
it's gonna.
Yeah.
We'll fix it.
Some things are what they are.
Yeah. Keep going.
If it can stay like that, we're great. Beautiful.
We just take off.
Well, no, because then the whole thing's gonna fold all the way up. The fender's helping us right now.
Yeah. Fender's holding it in place, to be honest.
Okay, come on over here.
Oh boy. You know what we need? We need to inspect this side too. That's what ripped off right there. That's what ripped off, this piece.
We'll remake that site.
Yeah.
That's how you find this stuff out, though?
Guy,
Yes.
why are you not inspecting this mechanically?
Hugo was supposed to do it. Where is he?
Yeah, let's see what happens when we put weight from over there onto this.
It's not gonna take too much more. Alright.
It's, again, could be worse. Thanks, Evan. Evan to the rescue.
Alright, guys, start kicking.
I'm gonna need to just find another bumper that's literally already painted. That'd be the easiest. Be careful with the bumper, man. I don't want you to scratch it.
Okay.
You guys done yet?
Well, the Chode Master and the Splinter over here. Master Splinter.
This is a perfect example of why this thing needs like crash bars done for the front, crash bars done for the rear.
Put it on the lift tomorrow and check it out.
You do that, buddy. You do that.
Which way we going this way?
No, we're going backwards. Are we gonna go up the hill or around the corner and in?
I think that's where it's going to be harder to make it through both of those.
That's why we're doing it that way. 'cause
Yeah,
it's hard.
we'll do the opposite of what
Okay.
Guy thinks
Yeah,
is the
let's
right
do
way.
that.
I like that Evan's like, look at Evan. Oh, here we go. It's actually not that bad.
Who's steering?
Yeah, steer. Well, everybody's steering, Anthony, because there is no steering wheel. Everybody's,
Turn the steering wheel.
everyone's pushes it. All right.
Dragging.
No, you're good.
No, we're good.
It's just dragging.
Oh, it's easy work from here on in, guys.
That was easier than the Beamer.
There you go.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you and thank you. Now here, everybody show their hands. Everybody put their hands in.
Oh.
Come on, get in here.
From 9 in the morning.
Put your hands in here. Look at this. Look how dirty all these hands are.
Guys' hands aren't even black, except for my shirt's still white.
Yeah, how'd you pull that up?
Yeah.
You're up.
Break one more.
Are you gonna
My
drive?
car from that to here.
Why?
Because it's been a day.
Rip it.
I told you he was scared.
Rip it once.
No. Like my whole tally, if it was like a video game's gone way up today, I'm just gonna cut my losses.
Dude,
That's it.
just do one more lap.
No. I would do 10 more. I would never do one more.
I know, that's why I said that.
Around the corner, smash this right here.
Yeah, you would come around the corner and just chuck that piece of wood right into the next stratosphere. This is what happens when I stop caring. I start hitting barrels for fun. I chucked this one pretty far. I put this one right here because it's kind of the best spot to know you don't really want to drive over this because it's pretty off, you know? It'll take a chunk out of your tire. So I usually leave this one right here to drive around. Uh-oh, Evan's he said he wouldn't, but he's gonna. You know he's gonna. It is so loud.
It's so loud.
Literally.
So loud.
Dude, the flames.
Oh my god.
That thing is badass.
That's the craziest car.
I should have just built a Corvette.
You could have built 20 Corvettes.
Holy crap. Bro, the flame. Oh my god, it's amazing.
It spits fire.
It's dumb loud, and the flame was insane. Holy crap. You know what? I think I need a Corvette.
Here.
Forget a freaking F12.
For sale.
Are you selling it?
Why not?
Dude, everything's for sale. This thing is nasty, bro, and
Driven it forever.
it's so loud on the eardrums.
I can't hear.
It's like piercing is wild.
Right?
Yeah. My dad's a huge Corvette guy. FaceTime.
When you did that turn, I couldn't hear nothing after.
Oh,
my
it's
ears are ringing.
Deafening. It's been a day, bro. It's been a day. Ripped it right the off. Luckily, I was not going stupid fast around the corner, which we were all thankful for. I was just doing a little figure eight. All right, well, you guys watched unconventional DD video because I wasn't planning to do any of that or for the control arm to do what it did. But again, lucky it did it here at the block and not in like third gear chasing someone or being followed by someone at Fuel Fest in front of an entire crowd. That would have sucked. So again, that's why we have the proving grounds, the testing grounds here, the block, and we'll get it all fixed up. We'll find a bumper. We'll get Michael in to repair the control arm, and hopefully the car makes it to Fuel Fest. I hope to see you guys there. We're gonna do our best. We have 1 week.
Easy.
Evan says easy.